White tulips are some of my favorite flowers. Here I've recreated them with pipe cleaners. Let me show you how to do it with step-by-step instructions. For each tulip you will need 9 white pipe cleaners, 2 green pipe cleaners, and fingernail clippers. To make the first petal of the tulip, cut 1 white pipe cleaner into thirds. Cut 1/3 off a second pipe cleaner and set the shorter piece aside to use for the next petal. Bend each of the 3 shorter pieces in half. Thread the 3 bent pieces onto the longer piece of pipe cleaner. Center them and then bend the 2 ends of the longer pipe cleaner up together and twist it around 2 times to secure everything very tightly into a point. Now bend each end down so that they're side by side with the bent pieces. On the other end, wrap one end around all of the ends to keep everything together. Now pinch the top and pull out the sides slightly to make a tulip petal shape. Make 4 more petals for a total of 5. Now gather all the petals together by holding the stems together. Now bend each petal in the middle so that the point of the petal points straight up and you have a nice tulip shape with all 5 of the petals. Don't be too concerned right now if it doesn't look perfect. You'll have time to readjust. Now take one of the green pipe cleaners and wrap it around the stems tightly, right up against the bottom of the petals. Wrap it around 2 or 3 times and then down the stems a little ways. Take the other pipe cleaner and fold it in half, and then twist the 2 sides together to create a thick stem. Now hold the ends of this piece up against the bottom of the stems of the tulip and continue wrapping with your original green pipe cleaner down the stem until you get to the end. Now arrange and bend the petals into their final position. And you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel so I can keep bringing you new craft videos every week.